How many months are there in one year? 12. Which country is famous for the Eiffel Tower? France. On which continent can we find Brazil? South America. What is the most common gas that humans breathe? Oxygen. Which animal is famous for changing its skin color? Chameleon. Which country is famous for its maple syrup and ice hockey? Canada. What is the result of 9 multiplied by 4? "36. What does the letter PC stand for in a computer? Personal computer. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in our body? Heart. What is the official currency of Japan? Yen. Which part of the plant grows under the ground? Root. Which big land animal is famous for its long nose called a trunk? Elephant. Which country has the world's largest population? India. Which bad habit most harms your teeth and gums? Not brushing. What does the O in H2O represent? Oxygen. What is the main language spoken in Spain? Spanish. Which planet is famous for its bright rings made of ice? Saturn. Which large water animal is known as the king of the sea? Whale. What does AM stand for when talking about time? Antimeridian. Which country is the world's largest producer of coffee? Brazil. Which food gives you the most energy for running and playing? Pasta, carbohydrates. Which continent includes countries like Egypt and Nigeria? Africa. What is the name of the world's largest ocean? Pacific Ocean. Which organ helps us break down and digest our food? Stomach. Which continent is also known as the Old World? Europe. Which currency is used by people in the UK? Pound sterling. Which country is the original home of pizza and pasta? Italy. What is the largest country in North America by total area? Canada. How many bones are typically in an adult human body? 206. Which organ controls all our thoughts, actions, and memories? Brain. Which country is mostly famous for very hot and sunny weather? Australia. How long is a century in years? 100 years. What is the name of the famous clock tower in London? Big Ben. Which language is spoken the most in India? Hindi. Which small gland in the brain controls most other glands? Pituitary. How many senses, sight, touch, etc., does the human body have? 5. Which bird is known for being unable to fly but can run fast? Ostrich. Which country is the world champion in inventing new music genres? The United States. Which language is spoken in the country of Germany? German. Which continent has the most different countries? Africa. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Japan. Which animal is a type of mammal but can fly? Bat. Which country is the largest exporter of goods in the world? China. Which country is famous for its delicious tacos and mariachi music? Mexico. What is the largest organ on the outside of the human body? Skin. Which country is famous for its kangaroos and koalas? Australia. What is the result of 100 minus 75? $25. Which ocean is the warmest and the smallest of the world's oceans? Indian Ocean. Which element has the chemical symbol Au? Gold. What is the freezing point of water in Celsius degrees? 0 degrees.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.